In this module, we cover the mobile application for photo sharing, Instagram. Instagram allows you to like, capture, and share any moments to a worldwide hub. It's mobile and technically one of the most powerful social network applications today. Almost everyone with a mobile phone in their possession has Instagram. In 2017, 1 billion users are on Instagram. That's 13% over the world's population. That's not all. As of today, the number of people spending their time on social media is rising. It's recorded 30% of our time is spent online, and most of it is spent on our mobile phones. Thus, 60% of it is from our mobile devices. It means the total hours spent on social media has overtaken the time spent on eating and socializing in person. An average Instagram user spends approximately 15 to 20 minutes of their time scrolling, liking, posting, sharing, and socializing. This information allows 50% of the world's brand to use Instagram as part of their online marketing strategy. Some of the top brands that have reached hundreds of thousands of followers are National Geographic, Victoria's Secret, The Ellen Show, and even Nike. National Geographic themselves has generated at least an average of 400,000 likes from a single photo. That's a huge amount of traffic generated. It's not impossible for you, an online marketer, to generate the number of likes and views you want from Instagram. You might think all you need to do is to post an awesome high-definition picture and wait for the likes to come in. But will it even span across multiple users out there? How would you know that your post can be viewed by users worldwide? Are you even aware of the most popular time to be posting on Instagram? Worry not, in the coming modules, you'll learn how these brands have generated tons of traffic by having over thousands of likes on their photos and millions of views on their videos.